Fala pessoal do Brasil Riff, Arnaldo aqui mais uma vez. Dessa vez eu vou pedir desculpa para vocês, que eu recebi uns pedidos de uns colegas fora do Brasil para mostrar sobre aquário, né? Para falar um pouco dessa montagem. E como é um pessoal americano, obviamente eles não entendem português. Então eu vou fazer esse vídeo em inglês, tá? Eu espero que o tradutor, né, o closed caption do YouTube, ele traduza para vocês. Mas uma grande novidade: esse sábado vou encher esse aquário. Já comprei o sal, resina, o denizador está montado, né? Então esse sábado só vou terminar de montar aí o cano da bota e vou encher o bichão finalmente, tá? Então desculpa aí, galera, eu vou fazer o vídeo em inglês. Quem entende inglês, beleza, o pessoal acaba aprendendo um pouquinho. So guys, this is my tank. Particularly this video, I make this video for Jim, for Scott. There's my friends on US and my other friends from the reefcenter.com forum, and a lot of guys, some of the guys send me some messages requesting to make a video about this tank. So that's it. That's my tank. I already posted the measures for this tank. There's 9 centimeters long, there is 50 centimeters high and another 50 centimeters in width. Okay, I'm going to be using this equipment on this tank. There are 2 AI modules, AI sol modules. These are quite old, but they works well on this tank. This is something that I made on this tank that's make me real happy. A good friend of mine works with acrylic, and he made those for me. So all the AI modules are just resting on this supports, the acrylic supports. Let me take it out this regard to have see. I have 2 holes on this cabinet, and I just put these supports and the AI modules just go like this way. Since the holes are perfectly square, I can put the AI modules in this position or like this. So just something that I will see when I fill up this tank. Okay. Moving to inside of the cabinet, I have these 2 coolers with the same friend of mine make these acrylic supports. These are microwave fans. It works really well. I have a temperature controller on my control panel, and I've been running these for about 5 or 6 years, and it's working fine. My circulation pumps are 2 M620 sail. Rated for 600 gallons per hour. That's give me about 200 to 400 liters per hour. Well, I've been using these for I don't know, I think probably 2 months, and in my previous tank it works really fine. They are pretty quiet, so okay, that's fine for me. This is the adductor. Gives a promise that it increased the volume, the rate of the volume of water, but it loses a little pressure for the sump pump. Well, let's see. Apparently everything's fine. That's my overflow box. Inside we have the 3 pipes. One for probably you guys will not able to see it, but this is for this pipe here for the sump pump. I have this emergency drain line, and we have the normal drain line. Okay, this is my hawkwork. It's I do not even measure the amount of rocks that I use on this hawkwork, but I just was putting one hawk above the other, and that's give me this horseshoe layout. That's I like it. I know it's gonna give me a lot of room to fishes to swim and the corals to grow, and probably the circulation flow will work better in this layout. Okay. The substrate I'm going to use in Fiji pink, probably 6 or 7 centimeters high. Apparently everything is fine. Okay, let's move on to the inside of the cabinet. This is my sump. This is a media reactor. That's other equipment that my friend that build the AF supports and the DEF cooler supports, he make those also. The skimmer is a Bubble Magus Curve 7, rated for 900 liters, so it works well for this tank. The calcium reactor is a Brazilian brand called Escuma. It's rated for 400 gallons, so this works well for this tank also. Sump pump is a Chinese brand. Actually, is a Chinese pump, and when they import this pump to Brazil, they put a Brazilian brand called Ocean Tech, but it's a Chinese. Apparently, the sump pump is quite nice, but the control is horrible. It's poor. The quality of the control is poor. This is my. I have. Where is it? Yeah, this is the port, the valve that will feed the calcium reactor, and up here we have the drain lines, the sump pump, and the ball valve from to the stump. Okay. Moving to the left side of the cabinet, we have the control panel with there is actually 12 outlets. 2 of them are completely dedicated to the cooling and heating, so I have other 10 outlets for the remaining equipments. We have some fuses dedicated for each outlet that will protect my devices. Okay, this is my water reservoir. I'm just still figuring out how to drill a hole into to this. I don't know what it's called. I need to figure out how to put a hose or a straight pipe. I don't know. Let's see on Saturday. My CO2 bottle, which is completely valve. I will not be using a solenoid valve in this tank. I'm not using a solenoid valve for the past 5 or 6 years, and it's been working fine for me. Okay, let's move to the back side of the cabinet to the guys to see this thing. These are sewer pipes, 100 millimeter sewer pipes that I wrap it up into this. We call it in Brazil contact paper. It's black, so in this way I can just put all the power supplies for the equipment, and it's easy to move it out or replace them if I need it, and they are protected from any kind of water spills and drops. There's some little dust in here because I'm just assembling this tank for the past 5 months, so I will clean up everything on the next Saturday. Okay, so there's a little box with a contactor and suppressor for the top-off sensor, and everything is just everything that I need to remove or replace is not screwed or glued into the cabinet. In this way I can just remove it if I need it, like this contactor, this box, the top-off sensor components. I just can remove them like this way if I need it. Okay, this part here is this connector is for the coolers. So if I need to remove the cabinet, I just unplug it and remove the cabinet for any kind of maintenance. Okay. I have here, I just put for any kind of emergencies a simple power strip for just in case, you know. I have two power outlets. There's a lot of wires here. I have two power outlets for this tank. One is completely dedicated with a power breaker in my power box, and the other one is shared with the rest of the power outlets of my apartment. So if I have any kind of problem, I just move all the main equipments like the skimmer, the sump pump, and everything else to the power strip, and I can maintenance the control panel and move everything back onto the control panel again. Okay. Well, I think that's it, because there is not else a lot to show to you guys, but apparently that's it. I hope that you guys enjoy it. I'm just started this project on the last November, when I started to sell all my animals, my corals, my fishes, and in January or February I just sold my old tank, and I just asked to the local fish store that I used to buy my things to, according to my drawings, to build up this project. You know, this display, this tank. The design is completely my own. I just drawn the overflow blocks on the side, the color of the back, and also the cabinet and the cabinet in the stand. They're practically my own design. Okay, so this tank is completely my creation. So as I call it, is Mona Lisa, because I'm just taking so long to have everything completed on this tank, you know. Oh, something I need to show you guys. Let me here. Where is it? Okay, it's here. Okay, this part here is this T and this elbow. As you guys can see, this part here is completely connected to the emergency drain line, and this will be connected directly to the normal main line. This hose will gonna be used as a emergency drain line, and also for the air to escape from the normal drain line. I don't want to hear any kind of a gurgling noise in this project, you know. And I'm gonna be assembling this device here as a, we call in Brazil as a balance tower. You know, this way the water will travel from the normal drain line to this elbow and runs this way. So it's gonna this way, and it's gonna to the sump on this way, and the air will be completely the air will run through the emergency drain line all the way to the overflow box. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll try. Let's see what's gonna happen on next Saturday. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope to make another videos for my foreign friends on US, and for my Brazilian friends here that follow me on the YouTube channels. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you, appreciate it.